Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. I wanted to do a quick video sharing with you guys some winnings that I got from a giveaway. I won this giveaway on Instagram and it was by Anna. She's Ephemeris32. I'll have her link down below so you guys can check her out. She just had a random giveaway on her Instagram and I won, you guys. And it was of this cute little paper pack. She was giving away a paper pack like this and she had an extra one, and she asked if you placed like a number between, I don't know if it was just like a random number, but or I think it's when she got to 32 or something like that, like whoever hits 32 or something wins the giveaway. And I ended up winning and I'm super excited because there's some really pretty papers here and I wanted to share them with you guys. So this is the paper pack, and you guys, there's a lot of papers here and they're double-sided, so you get this one right here. Well, I got this cute floral, which I've never seen, and then that's like the back of it. And there's this one, that's the back. I wish I knew what these papers were from. So cute, because I think she cut them back from the 12 by 12 sheets and made like 6 by 6 sheets. That says good vibes. Look at that. That's one side. Then there's this one. That's the opposite side. Oh, I think this is from the Hooray collection. Yes, it is. And there's this one. Oh, this is like really thick. Look at this one, you guys. How cute is this? Then we have this cute little cactus one. That's super thick as well, with some arrows in the back. Oh, this is one of my favorite papers. I actually have this paper. And then we have this one. Look at this one, you guys. Little typewriters. Love it. Oh, I love me some polka dots. So we have that one. Oh, look at that. It's like pink, like wood paneling. And we have this one. Another cactus one like that. And then we have this floral one. These are really thick. It almost feels like if you have two papers. Really good cardstock. So I got all the papers, and then she sent me this, which is so cute. I always get tongue-tied. So I'm gonna open it up. It's like sealed in here. So I'm gonna open it through the bottom, not to ruin the little top part. And look, you guys, it's a little flip book. How cute is this? Look at that. Oh, it opens like a little trifold. Do you guys see that? Hold on, it might be a little shaky because I'm trying to like zoom out a little bit. And there you go. Look at that. So cute. And that's what it looks like on the opposite side. And this is like a little note. And then there's like a little tag. That's mine. Cute little pocket. And yeah, you guys, these were my winnings from my Instagram giveaway. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.